Hey guys, this is going to be an unboxing and first impressions of this Zendu's Moon Milk Nail Mucin Glow Cream. So it says that it is for calming and cooling benefit. That sounds wonderful. So this says, it's really cute, open to Zen. I really love their packaging, super cute. Here is the product itself. The Moon Milk. Let's dive right in. Ooh, that's got sort of like a serum-y, moisturizer-y texture to it, if you can see here. Let's see how that feels on the skin. Oh, okay, so it kind of feels like a serum when it goes on, but it blends right in. It feels really nice on my skin. There's no odor to it or anything like that. All skin types, which is great. I have dry to normal skin. It is cruelty-free, but I really like that. Can't wait to try that out with my skincare routine. Paraben-free, mineral oil-free, fragrance-free, and BPA-free, which is super important. Here we have our list of ingredients, and love that the first ingredient here is actually the snail secretions. It tells you the benefits here. It has gentle exfoliation, it smooths, hydrates, brightens, and smooths. It plumps, hydrates, softens. All right, so it says to apply morning and night all over. In the morning, follow with your favorite sunscreen. So it gives you a Zen tip as well to keep it in the fridge for an extra